Yeah, really happy. Really happy. It's easy, you know, the stone is easy to clean. And obviously the appeal on both sides with the waterfall on the both sides worked really well. So best part or best favorite thing about the bench is the color and also the increased bench space because with the new sink it's pretty much given me quite some additional bench space. I found very good about them was that they were really close-knit. It almost felt like they were a family. So, it's really good because they were very not commercial.